Scrutiny of papers will be held on March 28th. The Election Commission on Saturday announced the dates for assembly elections for some poll-bound states. The terms of legislative assemblies of Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim are also due to expire by the month of June. Assembly elections will be held in Andhra Pradesh on May 13, Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim on April 19. Odisha will vote in two phases on May 13 and May 20th. By poll on 26 assembly seats will also be held along with the Lok Sabha polls.
11th June 24 with 175 assembly constituencies. These are the simultaneous elections to the parliament. They will be held simultaneously. They will also be held in the same phase where the parliament elections will be held. इसके बाद अरुणाचल प्रदेश में डेट ऑफ गजट नोटिफिकेशन 20 मार्च को होगा और डेट ऑफ पोल 29 अप्रैल को होगी. 20 मार्च को गजट नोटिफिकेशन, 29 अप्रैल को डेट ऑफ पोल.